I'm Peter Czaban. I work at the Web3.Foundation.
And what does Web3 do?
So the Web3.Foundation is set up to support the Web3 ecosystem. So first we are trying to think of what Web3 is, what different technologies will constitute the Web3. We think how developers will be able to build decentralized applications. And then we do research, support development, and build a community around Web3.
Very interesting. So what are the priorities right now, do you think, for evolving blockchain?
So I think the major priority is to figure out what is our target. So determine what do developers need to actually build widely used decentralized applications. And this will require some improvements in the existing blockchains in order to make them more scalable. But it will also require a number of other protocols like peer-to-peer messaging protocols or file storage protocols. So I think the most important thing is to basically break it down and then ensure that each project that is building all the different parts of the protocol stack is full steam going forward and building those for the developers to then use.
Great. So what inspired you to take on this very ambitious mission?
So I think this mission has been around since a while ago. It has been mostly articulated in the early Ethereum days by Gavin Wood when he talked about the Web3 technology stack. So back then it was Ethereum, Swarm, and Whisper. And while those technologies have been somewhat progressing, a lot of steam has been lost around the overall kind of Web3 technology stack idea. So the Web3.Foundation has been established to really kind of act as a coordinator or a party in the community that is really driving that vision and is able to push it forward while it has not been before.
Very interesting. So I work for ChronoLogic, and we're very interested in solving the time-based problems for blockchain. You might have known that Vitalik told us that originally he wanted to include some type of time parameters for scheduling transactions, but that was maybe overly ambitious as a starting out part of the infrastructure. Do you see time as a dimension of blockchain as part of infrastructure or as something that needs to be addressed eventually?
Yeah, so I think definitely having contracts trigger on time is very important, or having different actions being triggered on time is important. I think it's an interesting question if it should be part of the base layer protocol or if it should be a solution built on top. It seems to be a kind of an oracle problem. Yeah, so I think it's important. I think it's part of a kind of maybe not base layer, but definitely infrastructure that is necessary.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for your thoughts on that. How can people learn more about Web3?
You can check out our subreddit. So it's reddit.com/r/web3. Or you can go to our website, Web3.Foundation, but we are still revamping it to make it more informative.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.